Okay, so now look at this. This is Pachmani Biosphere Reserve. Pachmani Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. You can see this is Satpura National Park. Satpura National Park in the Pachmani Biosphere Reserve, and you can see Bori Sanctuary, Bori Wildlife Sanctuary, and you can see Pachmani Wildlife Sanctuary. So in the Pachmani Biosphere Reserve, both Satpura National Park as well as Bori Wildlife Sanctuary and Pachmani Wildlife Sanctuary is included. It is such a large area of land, of protected land. Now, there are terms called flora and fauna. So what are flora and fauna? First of all, let us understand about flora. You know about plants, so they are plants only. The plants found in a particular area. Naturally, the plants found in a particular area are called flora of that area. Means if a typical type of tree or animal is found in Panipat or in Haryana, so that will be the flora of Haryana. Okay, like if we talk about Pachmani Biosphere Reserve, so there are sal trees, teak trees, there are jamun trees, wild mango trees, silver ferns. So these are the plants which are only found in the Pachmani Biosphere Reserve. So they are the flora of Pachmani Biosphere Reserve. Flora are the plants found in a particular area. Similarly, what are fauna? The animals found in a particular area are called fauna of that area. I repeat, the animals which are found only in a particular area, so that those animals are called fauna of that area. For example, if we talk about Pachmani Biosphere Reserve, there are blue bulls, giant squirrel, okay, there are leopards, cheetal. These are the fauna of Pachmani Biosphere Reserve. Means they are the animals which are only found in Pachmani Biosphere Reserve. So these are the fauna, flora and fauna. Now let us learn about species. What are species? Species are group of organisms which are similar in characteristics, means which are same in body design and various other features. Like if we talk about humans, all the human beings, whether the human being belong to India, America, China or any other country, but we are a common species, we are a same species, that is human beings. Okay, so means that species are group of similar organisms which can interbreed, which can reproduce between each other but not with the other species. Like a group of dogs can reproduce only with group of dogs. A dog cannot reproduce with cat or any other animal. So means dogs are a different species, cats are a different species, rats are different species, human beings are different species. So species are group of organisms which are similar in structure and characteristics, and they can only reproduce among themselves, and they will produce young ones similar to themselves. Means the child of a human will be a human, the young one of a cat will be a kitten, okay, which will become a cat when mature. Got it? So these are species. Now what are endemic species? Endemic species means the species found in a particular area, means the organisms which are found exclusively only in a particular area are called endemic species of that area. Means naturally if you go on looking for them, you will find them only in a particular area. Got it? Like when an organism or a group of organisms, a species is found only in a particular area naturally, those are called endemic species of that area. Got it? Now let us see some examples of endemic species of Panchmani Biosphere Reserve. So first of all, if we talk about the flora, wild mango trees and jamun trees, okay, and sal trees. Sal trees are long trees which are only found in the Panchmani Biosphere Reserve. Okay, now if we talk about endemic fauna species of Panchmani Biosphere Reserve, what are the endemic fauna? They are bison, giant squirrel and flying squirrel. I repeat, the endemic species of fauna which are only found in Panchmani Biosphere Reserve. That is why they are endemic. Okay, so these are bison, giant Indian squirrel and flying squirrel. Now let me show you the pictures of them. See, this is the bison. It is like a bull, but it is exclusively found in Panchmani Biosphere Reserve, means Satpura National Park. So these are endemic fauna, means they are exclusively found in the Panchmani Biosphere Reserve. You can have a look at the Indian giant squirrel. Giant because its tail is too long. It is too big in size as compared to the normal squirrel. You can see this is Indian giant squirrel. Now the next is flying squirrel. They are not having the wings. It's just a flap of skin. They cannot fly, but they can jump and come in air with the help of these flaps of the skin and jump from one tree to the another. So these are flying squirrel. These are exclusive endemic species or endemic fauna animal found in the Panchmani Biosphere Reserve. Thank you.